Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on Sportybet. Well, this is very easy thing to do. You have to just go to Google, search for Sportybet, and this is the first link here. This is the official link, and you have to log in into your account, right? So guys, once you have logged in into your Sportybet account, now how you will change your name? It's very easy. You can just follow the same instruction over your phone, Android or iPhone too. On the top right, you will always get an option of my account. You have to search for my account on your phone, which will be on the top right or in the bottom right. You have to go to my account info. Once you go to my account info, here you will see one thing. Here you can just add your number. Basically, you have to verify your number. So let's leave the number part here. Now I want to change my name. So this is my name. It's very easy. I can just click on X mark here. It will delete each and everything, right? And I can just write here my name, right? So I can just write here, and basically it's very easy. And in this way, for example, I will write my first name Ron, and this is my last name which is called Saul, and I can also change my date of birth, gender and everything. Now I will just click on save. Once I saved, you can see that my name is changed in my profile, right? So it's very easy to do it. If I just go back just to verify that whether it's changed or not, yes, it's changed. So this is how you can change it, and after that you can just verify the KYC. So what happens in the KYC, it will just know your customers. So they will just ask you, Sportybet will ask you some documents, some verifying documents from their country, and you have to provide that. And here you have to enter your authentic, which is your real name, which is in your documents. So here, just to get verified, you have to enter each and everything, right? Here you can see this is my first name and last name. I have to just insert it here, and that's it. And my date of birth, gender, and I will just click on verify, and I will get verified. So this is how you can change your name over Spotify. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.